I did get something in the mail today. I already opened it, but I got a box of stuff revealing this thing. Yeah, it's right here. Of course, I had to open it already, but one thing that I did notice with it, it was broke. The screw doesn't hold. This takes 2 double A's, only 2. And it has, looks to be 3 lights there, 3 lights there, and like 5 lights there. That's just a reflector. As you can see, it reflects in the light. Sorry about the background, that's a train. I will see if I can post a link to this item in the bottom, because I used, oh, I'm going to break it more. I used the app to order this stuff. I'll get to all of this. Okay, now the module. This controls the tones of the horn and the blinker sound. Yes, there's a blinker sound, right? It doesn't look as bright as it is, and that'll notify you that it's on. So, sound. That is the sound. Then both right and left. And this controls that. You can have all different types of settings. They're all cool. Now this is the special piece for the brakes. This would go between the brake lines or setup. It'd get close together and then works well. And the horn does have different sounds. That's when it has no sound. No sound. There's that one. There's that one. That one again. Car alarm thing. Sound horned. Another one. Ooh, that one's loud. And that's it for that. So that's the BBR tuning. Well, I said BBR tuning light setup. I'll have to put a washer there and then different screw. And I'm gonna have to figure out how to untangle this mess, because it's wrapped tight. There isn't no thing to hold it on, it's wrapped. Put this off to the side, somewhere. Here. And then, nothing in there. The parts are in the box still. These came with it, hardware. Okay, that must be for that piece. And this should be for the light. It should go on the back of a seat, but when I get done with my build, it won't have a seat post to connect to. So I'm not sure I'm going to do that. Not sure what this is for. It's only this. Ooh. It does have a type of rubber to keep it from slipping on both. It's what you don't see on many. Many devices don't have that. This. Okay, that's how it goes. This piece would go right there. Then it would just screw on. However, it might be tight, but it will work. I'm gonna hook this up when I'm done with the bike and have brakes, which I don't have brakes, so. And also, the brakes do notify you when they're on. See, that light will show when the brakes are hit. Or anything else. So this will be good. And then you just take off this bolt here, then reattach it to this on a seat post. And I gotta replace that screw that is damaged in packaging. Now, what I have been waiting for. This right there. Yes, this. It is the piston. Right there. It is nice. A little bit of dust, a little bit of rust on that pin. This one, a bit cleaner. To the bottom of it. Casting isn't bad. Oh, there's some leftover parts from casting. That won't affect much, but we better clean it out. Good clean sharp edges. They are sharp. There is a divot there. There's a little crack on that side and that side. Again, I'm pretty sure that's for molding or casting, whatever. And then it's a straight shot. You can see that's a little rough, but that will fix over time. Now I got the E or C clips, or whatever, G clips, and then the piece that goes through the piston to the band, I forgot what it was called, and then gaskets. And O-rings. This one and this one. They are identical, and they are the same, so you can't mess them up. Now, how these will go on is you want to do the bottom one first. Find the pin. These little edges will be going like that. So you would go over, and then push it down again, then do the same. Oop. Might get a little bit messy there. Then, there we go. Then when these close up in the piston wall, that shouldn't be able to go past there. That shouldn't be able to pass there. And then that'll seal nice. Same with the other one. But I'm not gonna put these on yet. I can actually take them off because I am doing porting work. So these are gonna stay off and in the box. And it came with this gasket and a head gasket. This one is nicer than the one in the original, with the original engine. That original one was pretty thick. Let's put all these back. Well, I'm gonna need them again. So here's the jug. It's pretty bad. Yeah, there's a lot of scoring. So I am doing some porting. There are some spots in here I do need to clean up because they are bad. You can see right there that gray line that's popping out. I need to get rid of that. And then maybe some more sanding if I can, but yeah. And also there's a little spot there. You want to get rid of that. There's actually some stuff in there I gotta clean out with probably a piece of sandpaper and stuff. Work perfectly. Let's see if the gasket fits all the way. It should, because for 80. Unless it's on backwards. It fits pretty well. If it was on right. Well, it's just a bit off on the corners, but it will seal. Unless I got it on wrong again. Nope. It is a bit off, so you will have to be doing some trimming. And yeah, that isn't good. You're going to have to trim that off. Alright, that should be fun. And this should go in smoothly. This doesn't want to go all the way down, so there is a problem. Oh, there we go. See, it's smooth, but then it doesn't want to go out. So you gotta, well, that might be due to my piston, the inside of this being bad. I'm going to put some oil on it, see if that fixes. Only a little bit of oil. Some around here. Okay, let's see if it slides in better. Yes. Just a little bit. Unless it's going that way. So it does move nicely. Okay, so I'm going to put this up and I'm going to do some port work and make sure it's all good. Got this for light, so I will be able to see. Yes, I'm using a straight bit, tungsten carbide rotary bit. And this light is good. So I'll turn it off here, and I'll see you in the next one when I get more parts. For the bike will be in like 2 to 3 weeks or into October. Peace. That's it. Yeah, that's it.